Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our Facebook ad series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can come to our channel and watch those videos from here. Okay, so in today's lecture, we'll show you how we can set up Facebook base pixel and we'll show you how we can do it manually. Okay, so without further ado, let's see how we can set up Facebook base pixel. Okay, so first of all, we need to come to the business manager section, then if I scroll down a little bit, then you have an option called data sources, and inside data sources I have an option called pixel. So I'm going to click on pixel. So I have set up a couple of pixels over here. So for setting up a new pixel, I'm going to click on add. Then you have to name a pixel, like I'm naming it as, so I'll name it according to my website name. So you can see over here, e-commerce analytical growth. So I'll name it as e-commerce analytical growth pixel. Okay, perfect. Then if you have a website, then you can enter your website URL over here. Like I have a website, so I'm gonna paste the URL over here and I'm gonna click on continue. Okay, perfect. Then you can see over here, are you ready to set up your pixel, continue managing my business? Or if you want to set up the pixel now, you can click on the second option. So I'm going to click on the second option. Then we have a couple of options available here. Like if you want, you can add code using a partner integration. If you want to manually add the pixel code to your website, or if you want to email instruction to a developer, you can do it. So I'm going to choose the second option, which is called manually add pixel code. Okay, then I need to copy this code. So you can see over here, install base code on your website. Copy and paste the pixel code into the bottom of the header section of your website. Okay, so I have to copy this code and put it in the bottom of the header section. So I'm going to copy it from here, and for going to the website admin panel, I just need to write the website URL over here. And as this is a WordPress CMS, that's why I'm going to write /wp-admin. Okay, so if you're using Shopify, then you just need to write the website URL over here, then /admin. Okay, perfect. And then I'll go to the appearance section, and inside appearance I have an option called theme file editor. So I'm going to click on it. I'll click on I understand. Then I'm going to search for header.php. Okay, so you can see this is our header element. So I'm going to go to the closing header section and paste the code over here. Okay, so if you read the instruction, they have told us to put this code before the closing header. So that's what I did over here. Then I'll click on update file. Okay, so you can see over here, file edited successfully. So we have successfully implemented Facebook base pixel on our website. So for checking whether the base pixel has been installed on our website or not, I will take the help of an extension called MetaPixel Helper. Okay, so you can see over here, our pixel has been installed on our website. Page view event is firing. So if you want to try to match the codes like pixel ID, so you can see over here 767327712080. So if I go to the business manager, then you'll be able to see the pixel code over here like 76840. Okay, so it is matching, like its end is 840. And if I go to the page Facebook or MetaPixel Helper, you will also see 840 at the end. Okay, that means pixels code are matching. So I'm gonna click on continue. Okay, then if you want you can cut it. So yeah, that's it for this video. That is how actually we can install Facebook base pixel on our website. So this is the manual option. Hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. You have a good day. Bye bye.